class, this time let us discuss about Pythagorean theorem. Let us first know the two types of triangle. So these are right triangle and oblique triangle. So right triangle is a triangle with a right angle, or an angle that measures 90 degrees. And in oblique triangle, this is a triangle without a right angle. And oblique triangles are classified as follows. So first, we have acute triangle. So this is a kind of triangle where all of whose angles are acute, like what you see in the figure. All angles in the triangle are acute. And second, we have obtuse triangle. It's a triangle with one obtuse angle, as you can see in the illustration. Okay, so let us now find Pythagorean theorem. So the Pythagorean theorem states that in a right triangle, the square of the hypotenuse equals the sum of the squares of the legs. So to show this, consider the square length A plus B in our figure and another inscribed square of side C. So the area of the bigger square of side A plus B minus the area of the four triangles equals the area of the smaller square. So this is where Pythagorean theorem was derived. The numbers A, B, and C satisfying the Pythagorean principles are called Pythagorean numbers or Pythagorean triple. So in the right triangle, it can be shown that for any positive n, the numbers 2n, n square minus 1, and n square plus 1 form to satisfy the Pythagorean triple. So in solving hypotenuse, we have the formula, the square root of 2n square plus the quantity n square minus 1 raised to 2 equal to the square root of 4n square plus n raised to 4 minus 2n square plus 1. Simplifying that, we will get the square root of n raised to 4 plus 2n square plus 1. And so we have arrived with n square plus 1. So that is the longest side or the hypotenuse of the triangle. So this is the table of Pythagorean triples. So this table illustrates some possible combinations of the sides of a right triangle. Okay, so let us apply the theorem. Let us compute the other leg of a triangle using Pythagorean theorem, which is a square plus b square is equal to c square. For example, the given measurement of A is 14 and B is 48. And RC, which is the hypotenuse, is missing. So using this formula, let us find the measurement of side C. So this is 14 square plus 48 square, and that is C square. And 14 square is 196 plus 48 square, that is 2304, which is equal to c square. So if we will going to add this, that is 2500 is equal to c square. So we will subtract their square roots. So c square is equal to 50. And it means that our side C is 50. How about if the missing side here is side B? So through derivation of formula, since side C and A are given, so C square minus A square is equal to B square. So that will be our formula in finding the side B. So C square, that is 50 square, minus A square, that is 14 square, and that is equal to B square. So 50 square is 2500 minus 14 square, that is 196, which is equal to B square. So this is 2304 to B square. So extracting their square roots, B is equal to 48. So side B is 48. How about if side A is missing? So we will derive the formula in finding the side A using this formula. Since side C and B are given, so that is C squared minus B squared is equal to A squared. So C squared, that is 50 squared minus 48 squared, or B, is equal to A squared. So 50 squared, that is 2,500 minus 48 squared, that is 2,304, which is equal to A squared, is equal to 196, that is equal to A squared. So extracting the square root of both sides, we will get A is equal to 14. Saying our side A is equal to 14. So now let us apply the Pythagorean theorem in this problem. So a tree is broken 3 meters above the ground level. The top strikes the ground 4 meters from the foot, while the other end of the broken part remains attached to the stump. How high is the tree? So let us draw. Okay, so let's say this is the tree. Which is broken. Sige. And this is the ground. For example, sorry. So it says here, a tree is broken 3 meters above the level ground. So this is 3 meters. And the top strikes the ground 4 meters from the foot. So strikes the ground 4 meters from the foot. So this is 4 meters. But what is being asked here is how high is the tree? So meaning this is the missing side X. So using Pythagorean theorem, let us go directly. So that is 3 square plus 4 square is equal to x square. So that is 9 plus 16 is equal to x square. So our x is equal to 5. Our side x is 5 meters. But the question is, how high is the tree? Meaning, we will add this side from this side para mabuo yung puno. So, 5 plus 3, that is 8 meters. This is the height of the tree. In our second problem, a ladder leans on top of the wall 12 feet long. If the foot of the ladder is 5 feet from the wall, find the length of the ladder. So again, let's draw an illustration. So it says a ladder leans on the wall 12 feet long. So if this is the wall, this is 12 feet long. If the foot of the ladder was 5 feet from the wall, find the length of the ladder. So again, what is missing here is the hypotenuse. So this is 5 feet. And this is missing. So using the Pythagorean theorem, that is x squared is equal to 5 square plus 12 square. So this is 25 plus 144, and 144 plus 25 is 169, and the square root of 169 is 13. So this is now our side x, or the hypotenuse. So that is 13 feet. You can also try these problems using Pythagorean theorem.